How to empty trash bin on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Files on your device. In here, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you'll find these options. In here, you'll find Trash. In Trash, you'll find all your deleted files. Click on All Items at the top right corner of your screen. It will select all. Press on Delete at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Delete in here again. After that, your trash bin will be emptied. And this is how to empty trash bin on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.